Harlan is not just a company. We're a Kansas success story. Since the early 60s, Harlan has built its name on something rare, unmatched expertise, and a deep commitment to quality. Founded in Kansas, we've never wavered in our mission to deliver world-class tractors for cargo, baggage, and industrial use. Today, Harlan equipment powers operations across airports, docks, hospitals, warehouses, and resorts in more than 100 countries. Our chairman, Jim Kaplan, now 92 years old, is a pioneer in ground support equipment. His legacy lives on through his son, Jamie Kaplan, our CEO, who leads with the same passion for innovation and excellence. Together, they position Harlan to meet a growing global demand. While others face long lead times and supply challenges, Harlan offers solutions. Our parts are precision engineered, from axles and brakes to complex, high-tolerance components. We design technical rigor. Right here in Kansas City, our facility runs from a vast industrial space equipped with CNC lathes, cutters, multi-spindle drills, with 165,000 square feet active and another 120,000 ready to scale. We're prepared to grow responsibly. Internationally, we've expanded into markets like Mexico, Singapore, Taiwan, Colombia, and Peru, creating hubs to reduce tariffs and shipping time, increase production, secure large-scale agreements, and deliver value to our customers. Inside the company, Harlan is transforming. We're adopting a real-time ERP system, launching integrated e-commerce, and deploying AI-powered multilingual support. Clients soon could place orders, track shipments, and get help instantly in their own language. But our real pride is in sustainability. Since 2023, we've led the market with electrical conversion kits, helping fleets lower emissions and extend equipment life. We're also home to the only bamboo-based lungs project in Kansas and Missouri. The Atmos Bamboo, a natural solution for carbon capture. Through our On Wings program, Kansas technicians travel the globe, training teams and advancing a greener industry. At Harlan, we don't just manufacture equipment, we move the world with integrity and pride. Thank you for believing in our mission. The future we're building is stronger, made right here in Kansas.